na ensemo eyokuru kiogoro ni gobono ekina kemubwatiranetie omwalimu gosomorokia weskuru yoboroso ya aria ng'ombe advance boarding gotoka imeye bunge ya burabu ekenyara kobage kogendera rituko ria rero kobwatekana na ekinekyo nigo omwalimu iyo hakagere kobaga komoita goika ogokumorokia obwe miaka kianda ikuru ase skuru iyo engana bono yagendere kobage koreta obwobekina ekyo nigo boigo kirachikobage kogendera goika chitariki 15 rituko ria Jumatatu.
So your diagnosis as of the 30th of May of March 2023 was that there was May. Yes. What is the definition of May?
The definition of May means the destruction or permanent disabling of any external or internal organ, member or sensation.
So which permanent disabling of external or internal organ had happened?
The nerves.
Do you have anything to indicate that his nerves are not functioning right now?
Assault, attempted murder.
When was that?
Your office.
When was that?
The case was reported on 29th March 2023. That is the time we commenced investigations.
And what was
the complainant was bypassed.
What was the complaint, Mr. Muredi?
The complaint was that primary school pupil